So we came across this old Pepsi-Cola truck and thought it was interesting. Delivered all the Pepsi-Cola product. International. I used to collect a lot of Coca-Cola stuff. There isn't a whole lot of Pepsi-Cola stuff out there, but this is pretty cool. Is it open? Sweet! Look at that. Wow. It's got the old Pepsi-Cola logo on it. Roll up windows. You don't see that anymore. Oh, look at this little rear view mirror. I wonder if that's original, but how do you see anything out of that? What is this for? Ooh, look at that. Get some air through the front. That's pretty cool. Man, this is in mint condition. Can probably fit about 2 or 3 people in here. Very cool. So we made it back home from the west coast to the east coast. High five. Whoop, whoop. Just in time for Gina to unload her bladder.
Yes, it's been a long drive.
The holidays, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Back in Georgia. Hey guys, so while we were in Georgia, we were enjoying family during the Christmas holidays, and we decided we were going to take a break for a couple months. We were just burnt out from filming, editing, but we feel a lot better now. But we did a little something while we were down in Georgia. You want to tell them what it is?
Yes, we did, and we're really excited to tell you all about it. But I think rather than telling you, we'll just show you.
Before we do the reveal, if you guys have not joined our family, please subscribe to our channel, give us a like, leave a comment. This helps YouTube promote the channel and it inspires us to keep making videos. But this is what we did when we were down in Georgia. I know Gina's so excited. Guys, guess what it is? Gina, you excited?
Oh my God, I'm so excited. I can't stand it.
We feel like we just had a baby.
Going to be.
I am so excited. Meet our new member to Van Gogh Travelers. So we came across this little town in Michigan, North Dakota, and the population here is 280. And it's a little park that we're going to stay here overnight. And it's for free, but you can leave a donation. So we're going to leave a donation. But it's right next to a golf course. And this is the golf course that if you want to play golf, you can. And I don't really know how much they charge for you to play. They have a really cute restroom to use, and it's open 24 hours. And there he is, little Charlie. He's got a lot of room to play. We've got a playground right next to us. So what do you think, Gina?
I love it. It's quiet, it's beautiful, scenic. Perfect little spot. Hard to believe it's for free.
They only have 4 spots. You got 1, 2, 3, and where we're at is number 4. And it's totally empty tonight, so there's nobody here. And every once in a while you're driving through, you find these little magnificent places. Charlie, do you approve? Me and Gina drove around, and there is really nothing in this little town. Anytime you go by these places, you always wonder, what do these people do here? I mean, as far as work and what have you. And we got to talk to 2 people here that have been living here since 1982. And that was really interesting. So usually there's one big company that's located in these small towns, and that's where everybody works. You've got the clubhouse. And we were lucky enough to find 2 people that were in there. And we bought a 6-pack, $10, Coors Light. Let's go check out and see what the restroom looks like. You can play a game of horseshoe if you like. This is an old-fashioned park. You don't really see too many of these anymore. I remember these as a kid, having this type of equipment, but they were always so dangerous, so you don't find them in most parks anymore. How many of you remember these monkey bars? And you have the old-fashioned swings. They even put some golf clubs here in case you want to hit the ball on the green. Just a gorgeous day.
Oh my God.
All right, so we're in North Dakota, and we're going to go visit Theodore Roosevelt National Park tomorrow. And we're here in BLM land, and that's not to be mistaken by Black Lives Matter. It's Bureau of Land Management, but it's free public land. As you can see, There is really no one around us, so we're pretty much out here on our own. There is a couple of RVs out in the distance. There's one there, and if I turn around over here, there's one all the way up there. But this is our spot. Check it out. How fortunate are we? Gina's already chilling. She's got the beer out. Little man, well, he's getting settled in.
Sort of.
He eats just about anything in sight. We had to pull a cactus out of his mouth. So we're super excited, and we are so blessed to be out here. So this is a nice find. It's a $5 item off of Amazon, and it's a folding bucket. It's made out of vinyl and plastic, and what we do is we put in water as well as a washcloth, and this is what we wash up while we're on the road. Keeps us nice and clean. We're here in Belfield, North Dakota, and we stopped over here because we had a light that went out, a brake light that went out, and it wasn't working, but now it's working again, so go figure. But this is a nice little park. It's a very small town, and this is a fishing pond here. It's a small lake, but it's really, really quaint. And this guy right here is getting pretty big.
Charlie's growing up.
He's probably double the size right now, and he is enjoying the adventure. We like stopping over in these small places and just checking out and seeing what they've got. And this is really pretty here. They have a little path that goes around the lake, so we're going to take that. I wonder what kind of berries these are. You can see the small town of Belfield over there. Charlie has this thing with rocks. He loves eating rocks. Any rock he can find, he'll start eating it, chew it up, and we got to dig in his mouth to get it out.
No.
And he always seems to find the oddest things.
No.
Come here, buddy. What do you got there? What do you got there? A sticker. Oh, Charlie. Got Mr. Van Gogh all the way out there. I got a little path here that goes all the way up to the hill. And we're going to walk it. How pretty is that? You never know when you're going to find these places. We could have kept driving, but we decided to pull off and check it out. From afar, this looked like a real elk, but it wasn't moving. So yesterday we stopped off in Theodore Roosevelt National Park, and we got to see buffalo.
We also saw some other wildlife, which was just amazing. We saw the cutest thing ever, prairie dogs. And man, it wasn't just one or two. We just, for as far as you could see their little mounds and them standing up, and they make the cutest little sound. I don't know if you'd call it a bark. It's more like a little squeak. But they were running all over. And then what else did we see? We thought it was an elk at first, but we have to look it up and really see. I think it was a different type of deer, but one with different antlers and coloring than we've ever seen before. And another thing which I would have loved to have seen up closer, but we did get a good view with the binoculars, was a bald eagle. And let me tell you, those are the most majestic looking, beautiful birds. It was really something to see in their element.
Prairie dogs were the cutest little creatures, and they actually look like little dogs. You have all this farmland in the background. This little guy has adapted well to the van life. This is such a small lake, but just enough. So if you guys are ever traveling and you see something interesting, stop on by, because you never know. You may never go through there again. They have a small dock for you to walk out on. Another reason to stop by these places, here's their downtown movie theater. A lot of the movie theaters are closed now. I wonder if this is open. Only one showing per night. That's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you miss it, you gotta wait till next week. And there you have it, guys. The small town of Belfield, North Dakota. So we were on this road and I found this little bird. I don't know what to do with it. It looks maybe to be a little baby, or it's just hurt, but I almost ran over it, as well as a couple other cars, and I came back and got it. I'm just gonna put it right there, and at least it'll have a chance. What you doing, Charlie?